As we've seen in yesterday's video, we saw that Pepe Coin was trending below this downtrend here, pulling in lower highs and lower lows, and right now it is looking like it is breaking out of this downtrend. As I said, this pattern usually is bullish when the price is trending downward towards a big level of support that we have here from this high and this deviation below that level, and now we went toward that level, and right now we are seeing a rise up in the price, breaking out of this downward trend. And as I've shown you in yesterday's video, I am looking at taking a long on Pepe Coin here, targeting almost a 40% move here on Pepe Coin. And as you can see here, we took this long here yesterday and we're targeting around this range high here. So far we are at profit here on Pepe Coin from yesterday's video. Stop loss at break even for me right now, so I'm riding this trade risk free right now here on Pepe Coin. So if you are just watching this video right now and you're wondering what's going on here with Pepe's price, so basically I've given you right now a quick analysis on what's going on. So basically we've been trending for a long time now here on this downtrend. It's been almost more than a week that Pepe Coin is just ranging. There is low volume. When price squeeze downward like that towards a level of support, this means that a huge move is coming up next, and this could signal a next move towards either the upside or the downside. And because we are coming towards this support zone here, so the likelihood of the price breaking up is pretty much higher. As a trader, I've been doing this for the last 5 years, so for me it's pretty obvious that taking a long here would be the right move. And we could clearly see that the price came in here and found support instead of just going downward as it's been doing before. This kind of a pattern shows that the price is finding strength, finding support at this level. So what's next now is, as you can see, if we look at some levels to the upside here on Pepe Coin, we could say that we have our first target here, which is the 1627. Now this would be a major resistance now on the way, a smaller resistance, and we can get towards this high. These are all smaller levels on smaller time frames for those who are day trading. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, this is me sharing my thoughts and what I see here on the price action on Pepe Coin. Now the ultimate level to the upside would be this one here at around the 20 level, and those are the levels I'm looking at right now. We can see that we just closed this massive bullish engulfing green candle on the 4 hour, which is usually bullish. Now we're seeing some sort of a resistance. If we go towards the lower time frames on the 15-minute, now the price is ranging, but usually this is normal. Now if we look at the volume, we can see that we had a huge spike of volume here. Usually this indicates that this candle here, when we had this wick, usually this means either a lot of sales occurred here, a lot of people sold that went up on this move higher. Also some stops from previous here, we can see this high here get taken, so also some stops that get triggered. People that were short from this level here gets triggered, and this volume here indicates that there were a lot of buys and sells at this level here. So this is gonna be here an area where the price will struggle a little bit before a move up or a continuation. Now for me, this still is a risk-free trade with stop losses at break even, nothing to lose here, but I would still be patient here. I'm not closing my longs. I still think this could go higher. Now we also got some Bittrex Global going ahead and listing Pepe. This is probably going to be the catalyst I am looking for here to get us going and get those levels tapped to the upside here on Pepe Coin. As soon as this listing gets on going on Bittrex, this will as well bring a lot of liquidity back to Pepe Coin, a new exchange, a global exchange, Bittrex Global, new liquidity coming in into Pepe. As well, we got some Pepe hype going on Twitter. Seems like Pepe is trending in Bitcoin Miami right now. We had a plane with Pepe is the next Bitcoin flying over Bitcoin Miami here. A lot of adoption, a lot of hype is still going on Pepe, which strengthens my belief on Pepe Coin here that it would probably be one of the biggest gainers by the next bull market. Now if you watch my video here, I go in depth on why I believe Pepe Coin could actually pull a Dogecoin or a SHIB by the next bull markets. Sure, it's gonna take some time, but for those who are accumulating for the long term, this is the right play here for Pepe Coin, as we are looking at a major rise to the upside, as Pepe Coin is looking bullish for the long term, and this would be one of the major bets I would be accumulating if we get more dips lower. Besides me day trading Pepe Coin, if we get any prices here, these levels, these are great places to buy Pepe Coin spot holdings and keep those bags for the next bull market. Keep in mind, these days I'm updating you guys on Pepe Coin, giving you here valuable information. Like the video and subscribe. I'm gonna keep updating you this weekend on the price action of Pepe Coin and what's going on here with Pepe Coin. You can also watch the previous video about how I spotted this Pepe Coin breakout. Thanks for watching, leave a like and cheers.